This is a very steep area where the planting is happening. This small patch has been cleared off of all the undergrowth. It has taken a couple of days to do that, and then the small pits have been dug here to plant the new set of wet evergreen trees. This entire area has been left for regeneration. It has taken some time to establish few of the saplings, but what we are trying to do is to introduce some of the saplings which have not, which you don't see having established naturally, and we have got a variety of close to 47 tree species here, roughly 700. This is the area where the landscape, the planting is happening. If you look at this space, it used to be a forest land earlier, and the entire thing has been degenerated for timber. Our next level of planting would happen in this area. The entire area has been now cleared off, and close to 650 saplings would go into this area. If you look at the area, it is completely steep, and there is fresh set of mud which has been taken from this land and kind of dumped here. This is in fact the ideal situation for a landslide, where a steep area which used to be very good thick in forest and which has kind of been degraded. Now if you look at this side, you will see that there is a thick growth of forest, and that side is actually the forest. So this is why we have chosen to plant and conserve tropical wet evergreen species here, because this area is very suitable for kind of conserving those species. So roughly 100 species is our goal to be planted here and conserve those species to ensure that there is a good P+, and then we would have the birds take all the fruits and disperse it in other areas.